Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today it's time for a new tire change, and you can tell here because there's little I don't know what they're called, the wear marks, I guess you could say. There's little wear marks here. So this side still looks good, but this side is all worn out. So I'm not sure why the tire is unbalanced like that, but anyways, it's already probably like 4 or 5 years old, so it's time for a change. So I went ahead and ordered a new one on Amazon, and let's check it out, do the unboxing. Okay, here's the box here. Let's go ahead and open her up. So I just ordered it straight from Amazon Japan here, and there it is, the new Battle Axe BT023 Front Sports Touring. Alright, look at that, it's nice. Let's put her side by side, compare the two. So as you can see, oh yeah, this is worn out pretty good. Check out the new one. Alright, so we'll go ahead and first I'm going to put this in the sun, let it warm up. It's easier to work on when it's hot or warm. So I'll go do that, and then we'll remove this. Okay, if you don't know how, I'll show you how. So if you have a center stand, it makes it a lot easier, but still the front tire's down. So what we're going to do is use another bike stand here just to lift it up a few centimeters to get some clearance to take that off. So if you ever use this stand here, it's pretty simple. You just need what is it, 22 mil down there. Just ratchet it up. Okay, so the next step is to remove the brake caliper. So here's two 12 mils. Let's remove those. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Slide off. Okay, so I'm gonna hook it up to a little bungee cord so it's not hanging. Let's see. How about there's a good place. Somewhere under here. Okay, the next step is to loosen. We don't have to remove, just loosen this pinch bolt here. What is this? That's also a 12. Okay, so that's loose. And then we need a special tool here. That is a hex 17 mil to go in there. go get it. Hold on. Okay, so I'm not sure if you guys can see that. So here is the 17X. It goes in there. Okay. I'm gonna use this brake right here. Extension. Okay, let's go ahead and remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Here we go. It's tight. Ooh, that's tight, boys. Let me put the. Okay, just keep working it. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use a little of the spray here. Not sure if that worked, but it's just Japanese version of WD-40. Okay, now I'm going to use this bar here. Maybe get some more, a little more leverage and a little more power. See if I can't break that. Damn, that's tight. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Yeah, should be going this way. Oh boy, that is tight. Okay, so it's so tight, I'm just going to give it a couple bangs here. See if that kind of loosen it up a little bit. Oh, there it is, guys. I think that worked. I heard it break. Okay, there it is. Okay. At this point, I'm gonna go get some gloves and protect my hands. Okay, now at this point, you want to go ahead and use your feet. Gonna lift that tire up so this pin comes out. pull that out. And there's your shaft. Okay. Alright. And there it is. Now there's some spacers here. There's one. Put that on the right. There's two. Put that on the left. Okay, cool. So guys, there's the tire removal. Okay, now next we'll go ahead and let the air out and break the bead, and then I'll leave it in the sun and go have some breakfast and let it warm up, let the sun warm it up. So hopefully that'll be easier to remove it. Okay, hold on.